Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Okta Verify with Flutter for secure sign-in. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have the necessary tools installed on your development environment. Begin by setting up your Flutter project if you haven't already. Use the terminal or command prompt to create a new Flutter project with the command Flutter create your _project_name. Navigate to your project folder using the command cd your _project_name. Next, open the project in your preferred code editor. Add the required dependencies for Okta Authentication in your pubspec.yaml file. Under dependencies, include the Okta SDK by adding Okta_Flutter, latest_version. Run the command flutterpub get to install the new dependencies. Visit the Okta Developer Console and create a new application. Select the native option and provide the necessary application details. Note the client ID, client secret, and issuer URI from the Okta application settings. In your Flutter project, create a new file named okta_service.dart. Import the Okta SDK and other necessary packages at the top of this file. Next, create a class for Okta Service that will handle all authentication logic. Initialize the Okta client in the constructor of your Okta Service class. Implement a method to initiate the authentication flow. In this method, use the Okta client to build the authorization URL. Implement a method to handle the authentication callback after a user signs in. Create a user sign-in screen in your Flutter app where users can initiate the login process. Add a button that calls the authentication method you implemented earlier when pressed. Ensure that your application has internet permissions configured in the Android manifest.xml file. Test the sign-in functionality to confirm everything is working correctly. Upon successful authentication, retrieve the user's information and display it in your application. Implement error handling to manage any issues that may arise during the authentication process. Finally, conduct thorough testing to ensure a smooth user experience across various devices and scenarios. Once you're satisfied with the implementation, you can prepare your app for production. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.